This is question number 32 in the Murray Group Insurance Services 100 Insurance Questions Answered in 100 Days video series. Today's question is, how do I insure a vacant home? So insuring a vacant home can be a little tricky. Most standard homeowners insurance carriers or even property insurance carriers are not interested in insuring a vacant home, which means that once your home becomes vacant, there is very possibly a clause in your homeowner's insurance, which means you no longer have coverage. So when does a home become vacant? If the home is vacant for more than 60 days, with most carriers, in most instances, every policy is different, and I encourage you to talk to your insurance professional to make sure to see what the clauses are in your particular situation. But 60 days is a good number to go by as far as if the home has been vacant for 60 days, you no longer have coverage. You may also only have fire, depending on the carrier, depending on the state. So that's if you have a homeowner's insurance policy. If you have a vacant home that doesn't have insurance and you're trying to find insurance, okay, there are very few carriers that will take you. One carrier that is the nation's leading carrier in insuring vacant homes is Foremost Insurance. We rate Foremost Insurance here at the Murray Group. The policy you're going to get is a little different than your standard homeowners or property insurance carrier in that the policy is going to give you mostly just fire. You may get lightning, you may get some vandalism, but it's mostly just a fire policy. The company's not interested in covering all the risks that a normal homeowner's policy would cover because the home is vacant, no one's in there, and it's much more likely, extremely more likely to have a loss than a building that's occupied. So make sure you're finding a good carrier, make sure your carrier knows the home is vacant. Otherwise, if you misrepresent yourself and say the home is occupied and it's not, it's very possible there's a clause in there that can get the company out of covering a loss if there is. So make sure the company knows the home is vacant, make sure you're working with a carrier and an insurance agent knows how to insure a vacant home, and that's how you do it. So this is question number 31 of the Murray Group Insurance Services 100 Insurance Questions Answered in 100 Days video series. Thank you and have a great day.